Hello, technical team. We are today we discuss about the generator protection theory. In this topic, we have discussed about these topics. What is the generation differential protection? Which relay is used for a generator protection? What are the generator faults? And why the why the protection of a generator is complex? In So we are starting our topic. First, we discuss about the what is a protection. Protection is a small and the latest word about to protect or operate the safety before any electrical or mechanical damage in any device. So we are discussing about a device of a generator. What the generator is, why, and they using these protections. Protection against the insulation failure. The main protection provided in a starter winding against the face to face or a face to earth fault is in a longitudinal differential protection of a generator, which increase the size and the voltage of a generator. This form of protection is become essential for all large generating units. Means as insulation between the uh, stator and their core winding. This protection is called insulating protection. What is a generator different protection? Differential protection for a generator is mainly implied for a protection of a starter or a generator against the earth fault and the face-to-face fault. The starter winding fault are a very dangerous and it causes a considerable damage to the generator. Means this protection is operated in the and when within a microsecond or in a millisecond the generator will be stopped, and also this fault will be occurred face to face or a earth fault to the face. It also protects the winding from their mainly damages. Which relay is used for a generator protection? Induction type IDMT relay is used to this purpose. High C definite minimum time induction type inverse our current earth fault relay are required for backup protection of generators. What are the generator faults? Faults in a router circuit may be either the earth fault connected to the earth fault or interturn to the fault, which are caused to serve the mechanical or thermal stresses. Rotor earth fault protection is provided in the case of a large generator owing to the fault there are maybe an unbalancing in their three phase or starter current. Mainly fault are under frequency fault and other fault are earth fault if the leakage in the winding. Why the protection of a generator is the complex? The protection of a generator is the complex, the most complex for elaborating due to the following reason. The protection of a generator should be coordinated with an associated equipment and it is a costly and important equipment, it should not be shut off as far as possible, since there would be result the power shortage and the emergencies. Means the generator is an emergency device for a requirement of a electrical electrical source. So these protection is also be uh, protection is called as a complex protection. Means a chain of protection is working on a device. What is the mean by a differential protections, and what is the reserve power in the trip? The reverse power protection is a protection in a generator. Basically, this protection operates and trip the generator when because of any reason generator to start to take a power from a grid. Suppose the steam supply to the turbine fails, then in that case generator will be act as an inductor motor drawing power for a grid. Means the generator will be move in a reverse position like as an induction motor. Means give this generator is not giving the supply to the generating the supply, but it will be consume the supply. This protection will be trip the power station or any generator which is acting this. What the causes of a generator under voltage? What the causes of a generator are under frequency or under voltage? Low voltage or a diesel generator will be affected for the using a genset, which is the one of the common fault. The unstable speed of an engine causes the unstable voltage of a generator set. The poor circulation of a fuel pipe of a genset causes the unstable speed of an engine, which causes the voltage instability. Means if the prime mover is not supply the properly RPM to the alternator, then alternator will be under frequencies or in a low voltage. It does to be caused like as a governing fault or auto governing fault in a steam or any diesel generators. Mainly the diesel generator is behave like this. Why NGT is used in a generator? NGT means N for a neutral, G for a grounding, and T for a transformers. Neutral grounding transformer or a single phase transformer which is used to protect the generator alternator winding from damages of a short circuit. NGT are mainly used to reduce the insulation cost of a NGR means neutral grounding resistors. And the most and the important topic about the generation is why the generation protection needed. But the hour voltage protection is required for this hydro generator or a gas turbine generator protection of a generator due to the unbalancing load. Due to the fall, there is an unbalancing in the three-phase starter circuit, and due to these unbalancing current, double frequency current are induced in a rotor core. Means unbalancing of anything is depend upon a power supply. Power supply is stable needed for a device which is operating on a generator. Means any unbalancing on that device will be cause any damages in that device or in a generator which is operating on it. The main point of generating or a generation is started with an exciter. Most of the people are thinking about what is an exciter. The main purpose of exciter in a generator alternator is provide the stationary rotor magnetic field. Means it is an initial starting of a generation or a exciting, which is used to induce the EMF in the armature coil. The main purpose of a starter is induced the EMF means electromotive force for armature coils. So the DC power is given to the exciter, and the exciter is nothing but a coil, and the exciter create the magnetic field. Means initial motive voltage are given to the exciter when energize the heavy alternator. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support me. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel still not subscribed yet.